मेरे परवरिश में गलती है.
I
would love to know what my dad has to say about it.
You're a woman in the
You are actually an auntie.
So aunties are very argumentative.
हाँ, कि मैं चिक चिक करता था.
That's just amazing. We all loved the trailer. ये मैं बोल सकता हूँ सबके बात पे. बाकी it's over to you. आप लोग के जो भी सब सवाल क्या कहते हैं शूबे हैं वो सब दूर कर लें. हो जाए. हम बैठ. Please have a seat. जी.
Hi.
पहले उन्हें बैठने दें अर्जुन. मर्द पहले बैठे. मतलब ऐसा कहाँ
पे पैदा होके आए हो?
Hi Kareena. This is RJ Alok from OAFM आज तक.
अरे वर्ल्ड रेडियो डे.
Thank you. मेरा सवाल है जब ये स्क्रिप्ट आपको सुनाई गई तो आपने घर पे भी चर्चा की और घर पे चर्चा करने के बाद सैफ साहब का क्या था कहना इस पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट के लिए?
एक्चुअली हम लोग ने पहले कभी स्क्रिप्ट डिस्कस नहीं किया, बट ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन बाल्की सर मैसेज्ड मी आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई respect him as a filmmaker, and I just told Saif that I'm going to meet Balki, and he's going to narrate me his script. And I think the conversation ended there till last night. Till last night उन्होंने promo देखा because Balki sir sent the promo home, and I wanted Saif to see it before anyone else does. And I think I've never seen the reaction. He's like, I think it's one of the best promos I've seen, and he was like, I'm so proud that you actually said yes to now this is what जब all of us actors say कि ये अलग फिल्म है, कुछ हटके है इस फिल्म में, कुछ अलग है. He's saying this is actually what is different. So I think his reaction was amazing in spite, and he had not heard or heard the script, nothing. I hadn't told him anything, but he definitely knew through the making of the film that I was very very excited. So he knows that when I'm excited, when an actor is excited, there's going to be something special out there.
And कुछ वो भी पका पाते हैं किचन में, कुछ अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें exactly.
अभी तो now Arjun has to give Saif tips because Saif is not a very great cook, but Arjun has mastered the art. Master chef तो पक्का है आपका एंकरिंग के बाद.
पहले खिलाड़ी बन जाए.
नहीं उसके बाद.
हाँ तो बेसिकली करीना कह रही है कि मैं टीवी की तरफ और ज्यादा आने वाला हूँ. आई लाइक इट. नहीं, आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड टू व्हाट शी जस्ट सेड. आई गॉट one of the most warm and amazing messages from a fellow actor that I look up to, and that is Saif yesterday. He's not somebody who's very vocal about it unless he genuinely feels it. He was very happy when Ishaq Zadeh released it. He had messaged me that time, and yesterday night he sent me a message because obviously he knew how much fun we had doing the film, but he reacted genuinely as an audience, and he felt really really proud that both of us had done the film. So it meant a lot to me coming from, I think this genre is something that he has done so well over the course of these years. And it just meant a lot coming from him. And if an actor like that gives you that respect, you do feel you're heading in the right direction. So it was very important to get that vote of confidence from Saif.
Odd things work, but sweet and sour, something different. That the typical pairing never really works, but something odd is, there's something about it, very organic.
Arjun, slightly right towards you. Arjun here, slightly right. First of all, congratulations for the trailer. बहुत ही बढ़िया trailer है, amazing.
हाँ जी सर. हाँ.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आगे जाके जब आप सेटल हो जाएंगे तो आप जैसे ऑन स्क्रीन हमने देखा है आप वैसे ही अपने वाइफ को सपोर्ट करेंगे या कुछ और क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो आप सीखे हैं इस फिल्म के दौरान?
यार पहली बात तो मुझे खाना बनाना थोड़ा बहुत ही अभी आता है क्योंकि फिल्म के लिए मैंने 12-15 दिन मेहनत की थी किचन में पहली बार घुसने की. इसके पहले आई टुक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड बिकॉज आई हैव ग्रोन अप इन द लैप ऑफ लग्जरी. जेन्युइनली आई से दैट आई हैव हैड पीपल टेकिंग केयर ऑफ मी एंड केटरिंग टू माय नीड्स फॉर दीस इयर्स. And I never quite understood how much effort it takes to be able to be this selfless that housewives are. The concept exists in front of all of us. We see it every day and it is taken for granted. The film deals with something very important where because we take it for granted somewhere, सब कहते हैं ना अरे तुम तो बस घर पे बैठी रहती. वो घर पे बैठती नहीं, वो घर बनाती. She sacrifices, she lets go of a lot of her own needs and desires and ambitions so she can fulfill and nurture your. And me included. So when I heard the film, for me the most important part was I would like a lot of men to see this film and just go and give their wife a hug at the end of the day and make them realize that yeah, we value you. I think any human being eventually wants to feel valued and loved. That's pretty much the basic part of it. It doesn't matter whether I can cook or not. If I can as a partner provide that support to her and respect her for, if she chooses to be a housewife, amazing. If she chooses to go out and work, I'll be happy. Eventually, I believe it is your personal choice. No man or no woman should dictate to another person what he or she is capable and should do. So for me, at a personal level, it's a very layered thing. Maybe I come from a certain mindset. That's why I was dying to do this film because I feel it's a conversation starter. It's not an opinion. It's not कि आपको यही करना चाहिए, ऐसे ही सोचना चाहिए. It's just we need to think about these things. These things matter today. आपको हुनर और काबिलियत पे काम मिलना चाहिए, ना कि क्योंकि आप एक मर्द या औरत. So in my personal relationship, I would just respect and love her and be supportive in whatever choice she makes, and hopefully make breakfast for her.
मेरा सवाल है करीना कपूर से, जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन. इस तरीके के रोल लाइफ में बहुत कम मिलते हुए आपने इसको बखूबी निभाया. तो शूटिंग से पहले आपने क्या क्या तैयारी की थी?
Well, I think that मैंने हमेशा कहा है that I'm a director's actor. I work best with amazing directors, and I work really badly with some bad directors, and that's what an actor is. So I think that I must share this with Balki sir, because I think he was quite sure what he wanted, and somehow the chemistry between us just worked, and there's this character has come to life. And that's the way I think I am, because I think I'm an instinctive person and an instinctive actor. I don't come with any preconceived notions on the set. No form of preparation. So I like to be steered in the right direction. So my director has to take me, down that road. He has to hold my hand, because I'm still a baby.
Okay, let me just correct that. Complete rubbish. She's a fabulous actor. She doesn't need a director. She's possibly the finest actor this industry has produced. And she knows it all, instinctive. She doesn't do the usual kind of preparation, but she understands the script better than anybody else. She knows every nuance that there is. All that I have to tell her is a nod. Yes, she just looks for the nod because she's already done it. The only thing I was doing right through the film is like this. So she's absolutely an amazing actress, and I mean all great actresses, all great actors always say that. I'm a director's actor, which means I'm damn good. I don't need a director.
No, sir. But she did listen to you way more than I used to. Still have counter discussions. She was very. She was disciplined about listening.
No, that's because she's brought up right. She's polite.
अच्छा तो मेरे परवरिश में गलती है.
Wonderful.
No,
I would love to know what my dad has to say about me.
You're a woman in the
You are
actually an auntie.
Auntie.
So
aunties are very argumentative.
हाँ कि मैं चिक करता था.
Women love to argue, so that's why you would.
Balki, you just explained how Ki and Ka was conceptualized. Other than that, what other reference points were there? Were you also subjected to the same thing?
No, actually, Gauri accuses me of writing things that I never practice in life. So she says, why don't you at least practice 10% of what you preach? I said, if I did practice, why would I preach it? Because the fun is in doing films that you don't, which is not part of your life. I mean, the fun is, for me, is never about recreating some parts of my life or somebody else's life. It's all about just saying, wish life was like this, wish life was like that. It's never about how life is.
Karina, congratulations. You break the norms of Bollywood. You're working with a younger actor. Usually all these, you are still young. Don't take it otherwise.
Very
Comment.
good save.
Very proud
Very
of
good
my
save.
age. I'm not hiding it.
Comment on this. You're breaking the norms.
No, I don't look at it as breaking any norms. I think I'm an actor. Acting is in my blood. I work with Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. I work with Arjun. I work with everyone. I work with whoever I'm comfortable with according to, my comfort level. I mean, I'm not trying to break any norm and say that, I'm so this and I'm working with a younger. He's an actor.
But I want to just do the key card thing on that. You'd never ask the question of Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan. Why would you ask it of her?
Hi Karina and Arjun, Shilpa from India today. This is a film that has feminism at the forefront. What do you think about Indian society in general? Do you think we're still a patriarchal society, and do you think your movie will bring about some change?
Yeah, I always say this. I think we always have this expectation that films are supposed to bring a change. Films is just a reflection of what's happening in reality. At the end of the day, there's a gross misconception that cinema is supposed to bring about a revolution and change society. We represent what is actually happening. हम दिखाने का तरीका ढूंढते हैं जो सबसे सही हो, जो सबसे simply समझ पाए हर इंसान इस देश का, और जो हमारे देश में नहीं होता. I think it's more important to have an awareness and have a conversation about it. If out of our film's trailer coming out, see, these conversations all had in office corners, in houses, in coffee shops, they're all discussed in very hush-hush tones. why do we need to have it in a hush-hush tone? Why is it such a taboo? I've met so many women who are so good at what they do. And I've met a lot of men who are not, they don't have an issue with accepting the fact that they're not maybe as ambitious as the expectation of society is, or the onus upon them is. So why can't they be comfortable being who they are? Why should anybody look down upon their choice? In the film, there's a very important line that Balki sir had written. It's, ये जिंदगी हम दोनों ने चुनी, अगर हमें परेशानी नहीं, तो आप कौन होते हो कि आप कह सको कि ये सही या गलत? It's about being tolerant towards all kinds of people and all kinds of choices people make. I think that's the only broader discussion to have, is that we should just have an open-mindedness, that's all.
And Kareena, in your personal life, do you wear the pants in the relationship?
What do you think? I think Seth looks amazing in jeans. And so do I. So we're pretty much equal. And I'm really happy to be married and working at the same time. And I think that answers it all, you know. And he's working as well, so.
Yeah, so I think let's put it this way. This film might have an extreme take of something that potentially people might hope like a fairy tale. But even if we reach a midpoint with it, like what they have in their relationship, and we can influence people to think more in that direction, I think our job is very, very well done then, I would say. It's just about having that thought being encouraged that everything is possible. You don't have to have these boundaries for male or female.